So as you can see my iPhone screen on my Mac operating system. So on your iPhone, in order to turn on your hotspot, what you need to do is you just need to press on the settings icon here, and then here you will be able to see this personal hotspot option. You can also see this personal hotspot when you press on the mobile data or the cellular data option, and you can see this personal hotspot option here. So you can either press on this personal hotspot here in this settings menu, or you can go to the mobile data or the cellular data option and then access your personal hotspot from there. So I'm going to press on personal hotspot option, and right now it's off. So I'm going to just toggle this toggle button which says allow other to join, and you will be able to see this Wi-Fi password which is set by your iPhone by default on your iPhone hotspot. So I can change this password to something simple for now. Let's say 1234, and then I will just write ABCD. Okay, and then press on done, and you can see my personal hotspot is on. So once I have enabled this personal hotspot on my iPhone, I can go to any other device, let's say your Android device or other MacBook or your Windows operating system, and then go to the Wi-Fi option here. So I'm going to use my MacBook to test this. So I'm going to just press on this Wi-Fi option here, and I can see this option here, which is my iPhone. This name is also visible here. You can see this is the network name on my iPhone, and the same name is visible here also. So when I just press on this option, it's going to ask me to provide the password, and on my iPhone I can see this share hotspot option also. So let me provide the password here, which was 1234 ABCD, and then I'm going to press on the join option. And once I press on the join option, you can see I'm connected to my iPhone hotspot. So once any device connects to your iPhone hotspot, you will see this time will turn blue on your iPhone at the top, right? So let me just close this. You can see here this time will turn blue, and this indicates that your iPhone hotspot is connected to some other device. So you can press on this option and it will directly redirect you to this personal hotspot option, from where you can enable or disable this personal hotspot, right? So this is how you can enable your personal hotspot on your iPhone and allow the other device to connect to your iPhone. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.